make Cajun chicken with grits. Easy and inexpensive food which can feed 2 people for less than $2. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's start. The ingredients are as follows. Half a pound of boneless chicken, a cup of diced celery, half a cup of diced bell pepper. I'm using the red bell pepper to enhance the presentation. I have a cup of diced onions, 1 small diced tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, hot sauce to taste, Cajun spices to taste, cooking oil, I'm using coconut oil, 1.5 cups of milk, 2/3 of a cup of grits, and salt and pepper to taste. First, I'm gonna cook the grits. I've already boiled 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add the grits. Okay, I'm gonna whisk it well. As you see, it's coming together. I'm gonna add the milk and keep whisking. I'm cooking it on medium heat. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid on, put it on low heat. It's the time to get started on Cajun chicken. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon oil. Turn it on medium heat. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. You need to cook it for about 2 minutes because you're not going to fry it. After I saute it for about 2 minutes, it's time to add the vegetables. I'm gonna saute the vegetables and chicken for about 5 minutes. It's time to add the garlic. I'm gonna add the Cajun spices and stir it. Salt and pepper. Hot sauce. You can add as much as you want. If you like very spicy, you can add a little bit jalapenos. I'm gonna let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes so the grits and chicken are ready at the same time. To plate it, I place the chicken on top of the grits like this, and you look at it, it's so beautiful. In many recipes, they add cheese and butter in the grits, but this recipe, the chicken mix is so flavorful that you don't need to add cheese or butter. It's easy to make and healthy to eat. I hope you enjoyed. Bon appetit!